Hey guys, here I am again. Sorry about the little glare right there. It's necessary because it's still dark outside. It's about 6 in the morning here. So this unit is out of a 71 Mustang Mach 1, comes from Dave in Gillette, Wyoming. Dave has requested the modern internal conversion to add FM and a heck of a lot more output power because we're going with a new harness in place of the original connectors. He's also requested my cool master input-output box that has your aux inputs, your preamp outs, and your subwoofer output, and also the Bluetooth and HD radio feature. So we're here to make sure it all works before we send it back. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area, especially at dark because they operate at half power until it's light outside. So let's go ahead and turn on the AM.
It might scare off some Democrats, realize that Tom Tillis is basically
involved. Our output level meters.
You're on banking, you're on finance, and you're on judiciary.
Balance control.
Let me start with the latter. That means
Left.
Cash Patel comes before your committee, correct?
Left.
I am a big supporter of his because I think the FBI is dysfunctional.
Okay. And now we're going to activate the virtual front rear fader, which we do by, we start with our tone control in the center position. We give it 2 quick turns to the right.
I absolutely do.
So here we go.
I'm supporting Cash.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Discussions
So
with them. I'm trying to get members to recognize that most of them, in truth, only know how he's been defined in the press.
Fader
set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Need to read his
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to go to FM, which we do on this type of unit by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. We're on AM right now. Okay, and I have all 5 station presets set to FM stations in my area for a quick test. So now we're on AM. I'm going to go to AM or FM off on. Now we're on FM.
I walked into my local gym.
So if you want to take a little bit of a road trip, that's
Okay, time to try the 8-track. Radio comes back, and as you can see, I had the top cover off or loosened so I could adjust the tape head preamp. Of course, I'm going to put those screws back in before I pack it and ship it. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Get rid of that. And to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. From that website, on the first page, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order, and it's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone. You're welcome to call me with with questions that the work order doesn't answer, but please do that research before calling me, because where the work gets done is on the bench, not on the phone, and I need to get the work done to keep customers happy. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Dave, for your business all the way from Gillette, Wyoming. I get very few jobs from Wyoming, and we'll see you guys next time.